Hello Newtonians! Welcome to the Required Skills for Mechanical Design Engineers video series. In this series, we're zeroing in on 8 key skills every mechanical design engineer needs to excel. Dive into individual videos for focused insights, or watch our all-in-one video for the full rundown. The skills listed here are based on my opinion and experience. Creativity. Creativity is the ability to recognize ideas to solve problems in a way that has not existed before. This could also be applied to communicating with others, approaching situations, or entertainment. Why is it important for the mechanical design engineer to be creative? Every day you will solve different problems, and it will require a lot of creative energy to get a satisfactory solution. You will have to figure out a new technical solution, new ways to test your products, more efficient ways to communicate your design intent and solve all the other challenges that come your way. Sometimes you will have to juggle between different tasks that are technical in nature and then switch to creative work and go back to technical tasks. It takes a lot of energy and practice to switch between the tasks and summon your creativity when you must. In our line of work, you cannot wait days to get the inspiration to do creative things. Here are some tips on how to get your creative juice going. Create a trigger. I have been working in this field for quite some time. I have been working on the same tasks for days and weeks, and I have been working on several tasks a day, switching between the technical and creative work. What I found that works the best for me is to have a trigger that will get me in the mindset of generating ideas. My trigger is when I take a pen and paper and start drawing. I have been doing this for so long that my brain automatically switches to the exploration mode. Use a 3D model to visualize different options. Sometimes, when the assembly I am working on is too complex and has too many constraints, I use a 3D model to completely understand all of the limitations and space I have for connecting my component to existing assembly. Having constraints laid out in front of you will give you a roadmap to your solution. Again, I would use a pen and a paper, and I would separately solve each constraint on a paper, generating all my options and ideas. Then I would combine different constraint solutions until I get one solution covering all the constraints. Practice exploring new ideas without technical analysis. The most challenging thing during the idea generation process is to stop analyzing ideas that are coming out. What I mean by that is that when you draw potential solutions, your brain will automatically start analyzing the solution to see if it fits all of your criteria. In the ideation process, that is not a good thing. Instead, what we want to achieve is to have a free flow of ideas, because even the ones that are not technically feasible could lead to a different, better solution. Learn things outside of your industry solutions. Knowing how different devices and products are solving various problems for other people outside your industry could inspire you on how to solve problems in your industry. For example, the haptic feedback from buttons on your remote control could give you an idea or a reference point for the haptic feeling on the product you are designing. Write your ideas down. During the ideation process, you could have a lot of different solutions that will not fit your current problem. But that does not mean it will not work for other problems you could sometimes have down the road. Write down your ideas in your knowledge base or where you feel comfortable storing them. Practice, practice, practice. Like with everything in life, the more you practice, the better you get. So spend time daily generating new ideas of any sort. Think about how different products could work and how they are made. Give your imagination a playground to grow and expand. Think big and think freely. Create imaginary what-if scenarios and let your imagination go wild. With practice, you will get better for sure. Do you have any questions for us? Let us know in the comments below. Do you like our videos? Then, give us a thumb up, comment, and share it with your friends, colleagues, and on your social media channels. And if you want to become a part of the Newtonians, make sure to subscribe to our channel.